How to pay taxes on unemployment benefits. Surviving is difficult in these times of redundancies and economic slowdown, yet there is every reason in the ongoing financial climate to look at all the saving options. Some tax-free savings offer a flexible rate and are very efficient. So if you select the best plan, you will avoid paying income tax and capital gains tax on your nest egg. In the present low-level rate environment, it's very wise to plan a strategy to maximize the fruits from your savings. Now is the right time to examine the many tax-free savings options that are on offer. Scottish bonds are worth looking at, and there are dozens more ways for savers to benefit. Making the right decisions is hugely important, as the long-term consequences of inappropriate investment can be massive. If tax-free savings seem right for you, then call in at your local financial advisor, who will explain the jargon and highlight the best solution for you to invest sensibly. Nevertheless, it is important to consider your future requirements, as this may have a major impact on the sort of tax-free savings you should invest in. Various products allow you to place your cash in tax-free savings plans, such as ISAs, that you can pay into in the form of a one-off lump sum, multiple lump amounts, or smaller frequent payments. Although the total you can invest is limited by financial regulations, any amount you put away keeps its tax-free status, permitting your tax-free balance to grow steadily and safely year on year. All the same with the stocks and shares ISA, you can invest up to £2, 700 of which up to £3, 600 can be put into a cash ISA. It is hoped that this article helps to underline the many ways that you can benefit from tax-free savings. During financial uncertainty, the best advice is to plan for the future. By moving quickly, you can protect your savings from the financial climate. It is certainly something that everyone should do, but the problem is that a lot of people simply do not realize what the consequences are when they are administering their financial affairs. This lack of foresight and planning can have severe long-term implications. It is a lost opportunity, and it can be a cause of financial problems in the years ahead. So the smart thing to do is to devote time and energy into developing a rewarding saving strategy. The point of long-term saving is to build a solid financial resource that you can use later. That is what we all want to achieve, and it is important to approach saving in the right way so that the desired outcome is achieved. In recent years, the volatility of the economy has made many people assess their financial position, and this is a sensible thing to do. Taking stock and planning for the future is the way to avoid financial headaches. Preparation and planning really are the keys to a financially secure old age, and for this reason everyone should take the time and trouble to get a good savings plan sorted out.